We've made sure it's really easy to install our oak and pine mantels. It's a job you can do with just one person, but for larger mantels, especially oak mantels, we would recommend another pair of hands. You will need a drill, a spirit level, a pencil, a tape measure and a hammer. In your mantel packaging you will have found steel screws and wall plugs. First you need to decide where the mantel is going. You've probably already done this when buying the mantel, but this time draw a level line on the wall, no bigger than the mantel you're fitting. Mark where the centre point is, measure the distance between the fixing points on the back of the mantel and transfer these measurements onto the wall. Drill the holes and put in the universal wall plugs, hammering them flush. Screw in the screw, leaving the heads sticking out enough to hang the mantel. Hang the mantel on the fixings.